cooking with Lindsay. She's gonna make a cheesecake.
First of all, get your ingredients together. Cut up some butter and place in a pan. Melt the butter down. Once the butter is melted, put your digestive biscuits in the blender. Add sugar to the digestive biscuits. And blend away. Now grease your pan with the melted butter. And add your digestive biscuits to the melted butter in the pan.
You have to press this down here.
Put the butter and biscuit combination into your base and flatten out.
Yep.
Place in the oven at 160 degrees for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Is that 10? Is that minutes?
Next, put your cream cheese into the blender. Weigh out your sugar. And add to the cream cheese. Add some flour. Some salt. Whilst that's happening, just take your base out of the oven and place on the cooling rack. Grate the zest of 1 lemon. Prepare your eggs.
Okay.
Put vanilla extract into the blended cheese mix along with the zested lemon and some lemon juice.
One. Perfect.
Blend your eggs into the cheese mix slowly. Add your sour cream in. Once this is blended down to a smooth consistency, you can add on top of your biscuit base.
I've done that.
Place in the oven at 200 degrees C. For 10 minutes.
Okay. 10 minutes at 2. So just
Reduce the temperature to 110 degrees C. And leave for 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Once the 25 minutes are up, turn the oven off and leave in the oven for an hour and a half. After the 90 minutes are up, remove from the oven and enjoy your delicious cheesecake.